Alright, what's up guys? Back with another video. Quick little one today. I'm at work. You can hear the car's kind of just idling, warming up. Mic's still not on. I'm having a mic issue again. Just throwing a quick little axe back on from Nameless. Show you guys the process as I put it on. Again, I'm just going to set you guys down on the toolbox like I have been the last couple of videos, just because I'm not really supposed to film in the shop, but I've been filming in the shop. So I'm going to do that, set you guys down, go through the process. Hope you guys like it. I'm just going to pull on in and let's get at her. Lower your car, they said. It would be fun, they said. I get a little creative trying to lift this thing. Wood blocks, jacks. Yeah, but we made it. There's a Nameless. Stainless steel burnt tips. I believe they're 3.5 inch hardware. And then thank you JRP for the vibrant gaskets. I just went and picked those up real quick. So, put you guys down, lift this bad boy up, and let's get after it. Alright, so the exhaust on this thing is really simple. 2 bolts, 1, 2. And it's just this little short section that turns, and then this giant canister of nonsense stuff that robs power, and restrictive like crazy. So both these bad boys are coming out. I think the tips are actually a little bit smaller. This is a temporary use for now until I get back from the exhaust shop. I'm just waiting for an answer back from them. I'm just doing this for temporary, then eventually we're going to get rid of all this crap, that like this thing, that little muffler resonator, and then the J-pipe. I'm not sure if I'm going to do high flow cats or if I'm just going to run no cat, so we'll find out about that soon. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, one more thing, I do have to clean, because these are a use set, so you can tell they're all dirty. I do have to clean the back sides of these, put the new gaskets on. The tips are a bit dirty. I'm going to leave that for another video and show you guys how to like polish and clean those. So for now I'll just leave them dirty. The car is dirty anyway. So for now they'll be a little bit dirty to match the car, and then I will show you guys in another video. So I'm going to put you guys down, start ripping the old one out, and then put the new one in. So what I did is I sprayed some white lithium grease on a hanger here, hanger here. One faces this way, one faces that way. Once you put the white lithium grease on, the stuff just like slides right off like butter. Really, really easy. That's a bit, there we go. Yeah, this one faces this way, the other one faces the other way, just so it kind of like holds it. Comes up super easy once you put a little bit of white lithium on it. Like that. So one's that way, and the one on the other side, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you're going to see that. It's way up here, faces the other way. So, the white lithium grease goes a long way.
Cause no matter what you do, you're stuck in a maze. Cause my heart is in the right place. But I'm about to leave it now. Feel me shining through somehow. Tell me where did things go wrong. Time to get out while I'm still strong. Once again, you bother me.
Alright, so now we got those giant, oh, look at these things, fucking massive. What do you need those for? No wonder the thing's so quiet. So now we got those out, as you can see. Hanger, so I'm basically going to spray the insides of these again with white lithium to make my life easier to put the back in. 2 bolts, and it's done. It's so much easier once you get a hoist. Really doesn't take that long at all. I forgot to show you guys originally, like the cold start. I mean, you guys started idling. You guys know what a Subaru sounds like from factory. I'm sure you've seen a bunch of nameless videos. I'm just documenting what I do, so I figured bring you guys with me, kind of show you what's going on. That's about it. So I'm gonna grind those down real quick and then start to throw them in. Alright, so I cleaned this surface and I cleaned the surface on the car just so when the gasket gets crushed, it has a nice clean surface to touch to. I'm gonna wipe all this stuff off after too. Nice and clean. Get these all wiped down and start installing.
'cause I'm always in a fever. I wonder where my heart is, 'cause no matter what you do, you're stuck in a maze, 'cause my heart is in the right place. But I'm about to leave it now, feel me shining through somehow. Tell me where did things go wrong, time to get out while I'm still strong. Once again, you bother me when I'm all about trying to see what I need to stay alive, what I need to set aside. Once again, all over me, all I want is to be free, wondering what it's all for.
Well, that's it, boys. Pretty simple install, actually. The tips are smaller, a lot smaller. A huge gap. But like I said, these are temporary, so the new tips are going to fill this whole thing eventually. I just got to level them out, bring it down a bit, level them out. And yeah, the only thing I do suggest is the gaskets, make them 3-inch. I grabbed 2, I'm hoping it seals. There's like a ring around the actual factory pipe. I measured to this pipe, so this is 2. The flange inside here is actually 3, and then goes back to a 2-inch pipe. So, hoping there's no leaks. I'm gonna start it up, see what happens. Alright, so first new cold start. First cold start with the new exhaust. Not actually a full cold start because I drove it in. It is warm, revved it right away. So, cold start. I'm gonna lift it, check for leaks, and then we're good to go. I'm gonna do kind of a little bit of drive after with it. I'm gonna clean up, do what I gotta do here at work, and then I'll meet you guys back at the house. And yeah, do a quick little drive, see what it sounds like, and we'll call it a video. See you in a bit, boys. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick little shoot down and back, just to kind of show you guys the exhaust, the sound after doing that whole install. It's bright, forgot my sunglasses. Battery's gonna die, but we're gonna make this work. So, let's jump quick to the video of me launching the car, and then that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.